In the game Final Fantasy XVI, once you get access to the atrium inside the hideaway, you can come across a book called the Book of Sums, which has a math riddle. The riddle goes like this. Old Farmer Otto keeps both chocobos and antelopes. After 5 of his stock fell ill, he put them in his barn to rest. However, Otto woke the next morn to discover that a leg-eater had found its way into the barn and devoured 3 of the limbs on one of his antelopes. To make certain all remaining legs were accounted for, he did a tally and was satisfied when he counted 13. The question is, how many chocobos were in the barn? You could probably pose this question to your favorite AI and get the right answer, but let's use our brains for a moment and see how we can solve this using algebra. We know that the barn contains 2 kinds of animals, chocobos and antelopes, so let C be the number of chocobos and let A be the number of antelopes. We are told that there are a total of 5 animals in the barn, so let's express that as an equation. C plus A equals 5. Since each antelope has 4 legs and each chocobo has 2 legs, we can express the total number of legs in the barn as 2C plus 4A. We are also told that Farmer Otto counted 13 legs in all. So, does that mean that 2C plus 4A equals 13? Well, not quite. The riddle tells us that a leg eater had chewed off 3 of the antelope legs. So, there should have been 16 legs if the leg eater had not attacked the barn. So, the equation is 2C plus 4A equals 16. If you notice, all of the quantities in our equation are divisible by 2. So, we can simplify our equation by dividing both sides by 2, and we arrive at a new equation. C plus 2A equals 8. Earlier, we established that C plus A equals 5. We now have a system of equations which we can use to arrive at our answers. That is, C plus 2A equals 8 minus C plus A equals 5. The resulting equation is A equals 3, so there are 3 antelopes in the barn. And since C plus A equals 5, we now know that there are 2 chocobos in the barn. We can use the equation 2C plus 4A to check our answer. And indeed, 2 chocobos and 3 antelopes will have a total of 16 legs. So, the next time someone tells you that playing video games will rot your brain, show them this video! What other math problems have you spotted in other video games? Let me know in the comments below.